Hi, have you ever wondered why people call us by different names? Some say Montagnard, others say Dega, and in Vietnam we're known as Người Thượng or NgườiTâyNguyên. But where do these names come from? And what do they really mean? Let's break it all down. Hi everyone, I'm laih, and welcome to the Montagnard channel. Here we explore the history, culture, and identity of the Montagnard people. If you're curious about our heritage, make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content. Let's start with Montagnard. It is adapted from the French word that means mountain dweller or highlanders. The French colonial government used it to refer to indigenous peoples of the Central Highlands, about 30 tribal groups in total. Even today, the term Montagnard is widely used, especially in the U.S. among the Vietnam War veterans and our diaspora communities. Now, let's talk about Degar. This word is often used by Montagnard diaspora today to emphasize our unique identity. Before and during the Vietnam War, our leaders also used this term. I had the chance to interview Mr. Hipkasar, a prominent Montagnard leader, about the origins and also the meaning of the word Dega. According to our legend, there were two brothers, De and Ga, possibly from Sumatra, Indonesia, who traveled by boat to Vietnam. Their boat broke apart and they got separated. De ended up in Cambodia, where he became part of the Mon-Khmer group, while Ga stayed in Vietnam and still considered himself as part of the Malayo-Polynesian group. Later, they reunited in the Central Highlands and called themselves Degar. That's why Montagnards today belong to both Mon-Khmer and Malayo-Polynesian language families. And you might have also heard the word Degar. It actually comes from Dega. I believe this term was created by Mr. Hipkasar, a well-known Montagnard leader from the Jarai tribe, and his followers at the Montagnard Foundation. It wasn't widely known until around the year 2000. In fact, I had never even heard of it before then. From what I understand, Dega refers to our homeland, while Degar refers to the people from the Central Highlands of Vietnam. This is like how the word America refers to the geography of America, while Americans refer to the people who live in this territory. I hope this helps. In Vietnam, the king or the dominant Vietnamese people often call us Người Thượng, which translates to highland people. However, historically, this term had a negative connotation, implying that we were primitive or uncivilized people. Some Kinh people even call us Người Mỏi, which means savages. Growing up in the village, I remember feeling upset whenever I heard them call us by this name. A more neutral term the Kinh people use today is NgườiTâyNguyên, which means people of the Central Highlands. Many Montagnards don't mind this term because it's simply a geographical reference. But within our own communities, we often identify by our specific ethnic groups like Jarai, Rade, Bahnar, or Gahal, and many others. And in our own languages, we have words that mean mountain people. For example, the Jarai say anak chữ xiang, the Rade say anak chữ cheng, the Bahnar say con kong. All of these phrases mean children of the mountains. Montagnard is the term most English speakers use. The Vietnamese or the Kinh people call us Người Thượng or NgườiTâyNguyên. We, the Montagnards, outside of Vietnam, refer to ourselves in different ways. Some use Montagnard, Montagnard Dega, Dega, or Degar, while others in Vietnam prefer their ethnic names. So, what do you think about these different names? If you are a Montagnard, do you prefer one over the others? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video interesting, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the Montagnard channel for more stories about our history and culture. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.